To change the transmission fluid on your car, you need to figure out where your transmission oil pan is. If it's a front-wheel drive car, your transmission and oil pan will be up front. A rear-wheel drive car will be more towards the front center area of the car. So put a pan to catch the oil underneath your transmission, get an adjustable wrench, and then just unscrew the plug and come at it from the side. Try to make sure your arm isn't like this, because when the oil comes out, it will be all running down your arm and all over you, and it's not very nice stuff. So just go and turn it like that, and just pull the plug out with it. Make sure not to drop the plug into the oil pan, because then you gotta fish it out of all the oil. So if you're changing your transmission fluid, while you're at it, if you could get to it, you might as well take and replace the filter as well. What you do is you would pull the transmission oil pan, and there's only a couple bolts or screws that would hold in your filter. And a filter's not a very expensive part, so if you get to it, you might as well do it. It's not much of a hassle, and it's good insurance to keep your transmission running longer and cleaner and more efficiently. And sometimes when you go and pull your oil pan, you'll have a bunch of nasty particles and pieces of your transmission, if your transmission's broken, or just dirt from overtime of use, so all the clutches are all wearing out. But when you have the pan off, you should probably take some good solvent like kerosene or mineral spirit, stuff that we bought just like, Ace Hardware or any hardware store, and just go in there and clean it all out. And then when you're done with that, set it all back in there with a new seal around the transmission so it doesn't leak, and then it'll be clean for probably another 30,000 miles.